Hi friends to Knowledge Hindustan. Please subscribe and ring the bell icon for new videos. Independent India.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
He held the post until his death in 1964. The discovery of India was written by India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, during his imprisonment in 1942 to 1946 at Ahmedabad, Maharashtra. On 3rd July 1908, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was arrested for sedition by the British. In a series of articles in his Marathi newspaper Kesari, a nationalist Congress leader and generalist Tilak condemned the use of violence. Tilak was sent to a prison for 6 years. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Rahasya book was written by Tilak in pencil with his own handwriting while being imprisoned. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was one of the most influential independence activists during India's freedom struggle. He served as Congress president from 1940 to 1945, during which the Quit India Rebellion was launched. Maulana Azad was imprisoned together with the entire Congress leadership. He also worked for Hindu-Muslim unity throughout the Al-Halal newspaper. His entire life worked for the people of India and was one of Gandhi's most trusted lieutenant against communism and injustice. He spent 8 years in jail for fighting against British rule. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was appointed as India's first minister for education and inducted Constituent Assembly to draft India's constitution. Maulana Azad wrote many books, including India Wins Freedom, Tarjumaul Quran, Ideas of Nation, Basic Concept of the Quran, and he wrote so many books. Several women freedom fighters of our country who have fought for the freedom of their motherland with ultimate grace. Large number of women freedom fighters quarantined in prison by leaving their families and sacrificed. Yet central and state government are solving our problems and providing the essential every second. The government take action for our needs.
कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी से बनी स्थितियों के बीच केंद्र और देश भर की राज्य सरकारें तेजी से काम कर रही है। रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में लोगों को असुविधा ना हो, इसके लिए निरंतर कोशिश कर रही है। सभी आवश्यक वस्तुओं की सप्लाई बनी रहे, इसके लिए सभी उपाय किए गए हैं और आगे भी किए जाएंगे। निश्चित तौर पर संकट की ये घड़ी गरीबों के लिए भी बहुत मुश्किल वक्त लेकर आई है।
ఇప్పటిదాకా మంచి సహకారం అందిస్తా ఉన్నారు ప్రజలు, చాలా సంతోషం. ప్రజాప్రతినిధులు కూడా అందరూ పాల్గొంటా ఉన్నారు. విశేషించి గ్రౌండ్ లో ఉండే ప్రజాప్రతినిధులు చాలా బాగా పనిచేస్తా ఉన్నారు. వ్యవసాయ కొనుగోలుకు సంబంధించి కూడా మంచి కోఆర్డినేషన్ జరుగుతూ ఉంది. వ్యవసాయ మంత్రి గారు కూడా నిరంజన్ రెడ్డి గారు కొన్ని జిల్లాలు పర్యటన చేశారు. టైం బాగాలేకున్నా కొన్ని చోట్ల వారు కూడా స్వయంగా కొనుగోలు కేంద్రాలు ప్రారంభించారు. వారితో పాటు అన్ని జిల్లాల మినిస్టర్స్ ఈ కొనుగోలును పర్యవేక్షిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. చాలా ఎఫెక్టివ్గా జరుగుతూ ఉంది, బాగా జరుగుతూ ఉంది, చాలా సంతోషం. అయితే అట్లే అదేవిధంగా జరగాలి. శానిటైజేషన్, పారిశుద్ధ్యం చాలా బాగా నిర్వహిస్తూ ఉన్నారు.
Why not just clear up and get out ourselves to follow Fox and our society? Why devastating clumsy act? Many freedom fighters sacrificed their life for the country independence. Today, the doctors, nurses, medical assistants, municipal employees and police department are protecting us by sacrificing their life to save us. We all should salute them